The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the LG Stylo 3 for Boost Mobile, guys. So this is my mom's new phone right here. So this one's been out for like a year now or whatever. So this is what the box looks like. The phone looks very nice and stuff like that. So this is your standard Boost Mobile box right here. You got Stylo 3, unlimited data, talk, and text. LG Stylo 3, 4G LTE, Android, no service contracts, and all that good stuff. You got Boost Mobile. On the right side, you got Boost Mobile. You got some stuff there on the side. On the back of the Stylo 3 box, you do have some specs on the phone. You have a talk time up to 25 hours, 3200 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor, 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. I think that's a Snapdragon 430, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong about the Snapdragon 430 in this phone. 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of RAM, Android 7.8 nougat, 13 megapixel rear camera, and 5 megapixel front facing camera. 5.7 is HD display with embedded stylus. It's 720p display, and up to 2 terabyte micro SD XC card, and all that good stuff. So it comes with the stylus. This is the third generation of the stylus brand. So as you guys can see on the right side, tells you guys pick a plan, activate and reboot. Simple as that. You can also get social reboot on Facebook and Twitter and all the social networks. Specs on the phone here, you guys got 5.7 inch HD display with embedded stylus, 3G, 4G, LTE, and LTE plus. That's a win. 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of RAM, and Android 7.0 nougat OS. And you guys got the screen protector right there on the front. So this one has already been opened or whatever, so yeah. So there's the phone right there. You guys get the phone and some bolts. I think you only get like one bolt in this thing. I'm not sure. So here's the phone. Nice looking phone. See. LG logo, you got front and back. This is the back of the phone. You got your camera flash, power button / fingerprint sensor, LG logo, speaker. On the left side, you have your volume up and down buttons right there. And your stylus pen is somewhere in this motherfucker. I don't know where the stylus pen is, to be honest with you. I'll find it. On the bottom, you got your headphone jack, microphone, and charging port. That is micro it's micro USB 2.0, not Type C on this one. On the front of the phone, you guys got front facing camera, earpiece, and all that. Take that off. So what the phone looks like. I'm gonna you guys this boot up. So you got LG, life's good, powered by Android. Put the flash off, like you guys can see the boot. You have a notification light on the top. Snapdragon right there, LG. That's pretty interesting. Boot up right there. And you guys got the lock screen right here. I still had to activate this phone for my mom or whatever, so this is the lock screen right here. Nice looking wallpaper. Double tap to wait. You also have fingerprint. So this is your home screen right here. You get 2 home screens, but you could get out of that. Just hit home. So you got all your apps here. It wants me to activate the damn thing, so I'm gonna have to activate the phone real quick. So I will be right back. So I'm gonna activate it here in just a minute. So you guys got the drop down there. You have your quick settings for capture plus. You got your Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, rotation, flashlight, airplane mode, sync, data, battery saver, location, color version, you have file sharing, you got comfort view, do not disturb. That's what comfort view looks like. Then you got data saver there. You got settings here. You got airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, and all that good stuff. Call. You got Share Connect. You can use mobile hotspot. You guys got file sharing, media service, LG AirDrive, and printing and all that. And you also can change it from list view to tab view. You can change it to list view if you want. And you guys got a bell and search for settings. You got sounds. You got sound profile, ringtone ID, and all that good stuff right there. Your standard stuff there. Display, you got home screen. You can select you can select home, easy home, or home in the app drawer if you want. It's stuff all up to home. You got wallpaper. You guys got y'all guys got screen swipe effect. Y'all guys have swipe breeze, panorama, and carousel there. And you guys can sort apps and stuff like that. You got themes on here. You guys got these themes here. And you also can get more right down here. That's pretty cool. You guys got auto brightness and all that good stuff for brightness and stuff. Settings, you got links and keyboard, location, accounts and sync, shortcut keys, Google services, fingerprint security. Pen is for like your stylus and stuff, so you got all that in there for your stylus. Date, time, storage, similar storage we got. Out of 16 gigs, 7.46 gigabytes are used. You get about 8.54 gigabytes available. So there's stuff downloaded in the background. There's stuff downloading in the background, guys. So you get about that. You probably get a bit more than that. Memory, system updates, apps, backup, and reset. About phone. Go to software info. You guys got 7.0 Nougat with January 1st, 2018 security patch on board. So double tap on that. You guys will get the Nougat Easter egg right there. And you guys got all your boost apps right there. Smart Wolf and LG. You got your tools. Quick Mem. You got all your apps here. Once I get this one activated, I'll have LG apps on this. I'll have boost apps already on this thing once I get it activated for my mom or whatever. So yeah, there it is, guys. LG Stylo 3 Boost Mobile. Nice phone. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.